Hey, what's up, guys? We getting ready to slide. We're gonna go on this memorial run for a fallen brother. Hey, come on, slide with me. Let's do it.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still.
All right, guys, I made it to one of the fella's house. Now, I didn't know the guy that passed away, but I know he was a brother bike rider. And I'm friends with the guy with the chopper right here, and that was one of his best friends. So he asked me to ride along. If I wanted to ride along, I was invited. So I'm gonna go ride, and just out of respect. Okay, so this is Pepper's chopper, and I'm at Pepper's house right now. So let's see what time kickstand's up. What's up, man? Huh? Yeah. Huh? Oh, you lost somebody? Yeah. Steve? Hey, how you doing?
I'm Nancy. You're
Nancy?
nice to meet you.
RC? That's your mom?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Waiting on that white car.
Huh?
Waiting on that car right there.
That's all we waiting on?
Yep.
Okay.
let me.
Wow.
Like velvet and that little boy smile. Like velvet and that slow southern style. A new religion that'll bring you to your knees. Like velvet if you please.
Andrew would like to say a prayer. I'm going to hand him over the mic, you guys. Want your attention? We're going to bow our heads in prayer for a moment. There you go, Andrew.
All right, so Miss Jeannie asked me to do this for you guys before I head out of here. Thank you guys for having me, by the way. Quickly, just thank you for the closeness, the family, the friends, the connections, the memories. One thing that I said recently at Amber's Celebration of Life was, if you get a chance to take a picture, please take a picture. If you get a chance to give somebody a hug that you haven't hugged in a while, do that. And most of all, make memories that you're going to remember from this point forward. So thank you for that, and amen.
All right, guys, we're gonna head on back to the house, man. It was a really nice gathering for Jerry. A lot of his family and friends was there. Got to meet some really nice people, but it's time to get on back before dark. Hey man, as always, make sure you keep tools on the ground and make sure you ride your way. Later.